Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Blink Outdoor Sync Module Troubleshooting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To troubleshoot your Blink Outdoor Sync Module, start by checking the power source. Ensure the sync module is plugged into a working outlet. Look for the LED indicator light on the front of the sync module. If the light is solid green, your module is connected properly. If it's flashing green, the module is trying to connect to Wi-Fi. If the LED is solid red, your module has lost connection. Next, confirm that your Wi-Fi network is functioning correctly. Use a smartphone or computer to check if other devices are connected. If your network is down, restart your router. Once the network is back online, return to your Blink app. Reboot the Blink Sync module by unplugging it and plugging it back in. Wait for the LED to stabilize. If it remains red, try resetting the sync module. To reset, hold the reset button on the back of the module until the light blinks red. Once reset, open the Blink app and attempt to re-add the sync module. Follow the in-app instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password. If you have a dual-band router, make sure you are connected to 2.4 GHz rather than 5 GHz. If the sync module still fails to connect, try moving it closer to the router. Check for any obstructions that may interfere with the signal. If issues persist, consider updating the Blink app to the latest version. Uninstall and reinstall the app if necessary. Verify that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If all else fails, consult Blink's support for further assistance. Document any error messages you encounter for efficient troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.